Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: power, network connectivity, and that the device or app is on the latest firmware or software. Once done, back up current settings so you can revert if needed. Make sure you have admin credentials and a spare cable or tester at hand. You perform a quick restart now to clear transient faults. This often reveals persistent errors. If status lights or logs still show faults, move on to focused diagnostics. Don't skip the logs. They tell you why. Now you dig into diagnostics. Review logs for error codes and timestamps to pinpoint when failure began. Once done, run loopback and connectivity tests to isolate whether hardware or configuration is at fault. Make sure to swap cables and ports to rule out physical connections. If configuration differences appear, restore one incremental change at a time rather than a full reset so you can identify the offending setting. Use ping, traceroute, or built-in self-tests to confirm you apply the targeted fix, install the patch, replace the failing component, or correct the configuration parameter you identified. Once applied, reboot the device or service and verify operation under normal load for several minutes to ensure stability. Make sure to monitor logs and run the same tests you used during diagnosis. If the problem persists, roll back to your backup immediately and document all error messages and steps taken. Then escalate to vendor support with that evidence for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.